Hi everyone, so here's my finished just egg veggie omelet, and I try to be super creative. I don't know why. I was feeling super creative this morning. I put in a lot of different veggies, and I also put in some seasoned potatoes that I had left over from some smashed potatoes that I made the other day. The Beyond sausage, I air fried it before I put it inside the omelet. I like mid through cooking the omelet, I put the Beyond sausage on it, then I turned it over. And also now towards the end, I put some olive oil and some extra hot sauce, hot chili oil that I love, love, love. I paired it with some nachos and some pickles, and this is it. I hope you guys like this video. Leave me some comments below. This is Porta Vegan. Buen provecho.